You can buy an air conditioner online? Yup. Thousands of customers are doing it every day. We sell heating and cooling systems online directly to American homeowners at drastically reduced wholesale pricing. So you get that great home comfort at less than half the cost of getting it locally. Plus, the same manufacturer's warranties up to 12 years. No matter what brand your current system is, you can replace it with any brand on our site. Our customers save up to 70% versus prices charged by the local HVAC companies. Let me explain how. The local average price is $12,000. Your HVACdirect.com equipment price is $2,500 plus $1,500 to install. That's $4,000. You save $8,000. That's real money. Not only do you save big, but you don't have to wait. Our units are in stock and ready to ship fast, thanks to our nationwide distribution network. And it's super easy. Anyone can quickly buy online at HVACdirect.com with our smart buying tool. Just select through the options you want and search for what's available. Or you can consult with one of our on-call specialists. Buy with confidence. We give you only exactly what you need with no unnecessary equipment upsells or hidden charges. Sound too good to be true? Check out the over 10,000 reviews on our website to see how we save American homeowners thousands of dollars per order. Find what you need online, get your savings, and get fast shipping. It really is that easy. Visit us at HVACdirect.com to learn more.